Imagine you're waking up on January 12th, 2026. You check your feed, expecting the usual doom scrolling about AI taking over middle management, or another billionaire launching a car into the sun. But instead, you see a headline that makes every physicist on the planet want to quit their job and become a professional mime. A dead star, literally a cosmic corpse, just threw a punch that should be physically impossible. We've got interstellar visitors that look like Baba Vanga's worst nightmares, and a humming sound in the ground that's driving people to madness. While the world's most expensive census. Welcome to 2026, where the more we learn. Today, we're diving into the top 10 phenomena that currently have science in a chokehold. Let's get weird. Let's start with the literal news of the week. Astronomers at the University of Southampton just dropped a paper in Nature Astronomy that essentially says, everything we thought we knew about dead stars is a lie. Meet RxJ0528 tambah 2838. It's a white dwarf star that's already kicked the bucket, located about 730 light-years from your living room. Usually, these things are quiet. They sit there, glowing dimly, waiting for the heat death of the universe. But this one, it's surrounded by a massive, glowing bow shock that stretches billions of miles into space. But Atlas is the weirdest of the bunch, and as of right now, is zipping past Jupiter, getting ready to leave us forever. Here's where it gets spooky. The chemical signature is total nonsense. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope shows the coma is packed with nickel, but contains zero iron. In nature, these two are like Batman and Robin, they're always together. Finding nickel without iron is like finding a cheeseburger with no cheese and no burger. It suggests some unknown chemical process that doesn't happen in our solar system. And because the internet is a fever dream, people are linking it to a Baba Vanga prophecy that an alien spacecraft would enter the atmosphere in 2026. While Breakthrough Listen has yet found any radio pings coming from it yet. The fact that this thing is older than our sun, the oldest object we've ever seen, means it's carrying secrets from a part of the galaxy that follows a different rulebook. It's a literal fossil from a dead neighborhood. If the stars are too far away for you to care about, the hum. For the uninitiated, the hum is a low-frequency noise that sounds like a distant diesel engine idling. Only about 2% of the population can hear it, but for those who do, it's a living nightmare. It leads to nosebleeds, dizziness, and a level of irritability that makes a hangry toddler look like a Zen monk. The mystery. Scientists have been out there with every sensor known to man's seismic monitors, acoustic pressure gauges, electromagnetic field detectors, and they find ... nothing. In 2024 and 2025, a study using ultra-sensitive fiber optic sensing tried to find the source. They found city traffic, they found distant trains, they found the heartbeat of the Earth, but they didn't find the hum. Yet, as we speak, residents in Taos are still reporting it. Some say it's louder inside than outside. Some say earplugs make it worse because it's vibrating through their bones. Is it a mass hallucination? Is it a secret government experiment using infrasound? Or are these people just tuned into a frequency the rest of us are too low raised to perceive? Science is currently opting for the shrug and walk away method. Number 4. The Sahara Anomaly. We all know the Sahara Desert is, well, a desert. It's a vast, empty sea of sand. Except it's not. In mid-2025, a deep ground survey using new radar technology revealed something buried a mile beneath the sand, a perfectly circular structure, 5 miles in diameter. It's not geological, the layers of rock beneath it are undisturbed. It's also not a crater, as there's no evidence of an impact. The material it's made of reflects radar in a way that's completely baffling, suggesting a density that doesn't match any known natural or man-made material. Geologists are saying it's 1 million years old, at least. Archaeologists are saying it can't be man-made because nothing that old should be so perfectly engineered. Theories range from a long-lost advanced civilization to a parked alien artifact. Whatever it is, it's sitting under the hottest place on Earth, just waiting. The scariest part. After the initial discovery, all government funding for further investigation was quietly pulled, and the data classified. The official explanation is budget cuts. Right next, let's go deep underwater. The Baltic Sea anomaly is old news, but in 2026 it has a new sibling, the Mariana Trench signal. Last year, a new fleet of deep-sea drones was deployed to map the deepest part of the ocean. Most of the time, they heard the usual clicks of whales and the groaning of tectonic plates. But on 3 separate occasions, separated by months, they recorded something else. It's a short, 15-second signal that sweeps through multiple frequencies in a structured, repeating pattern. It's not biological, no. No animal makes a sound like this. It's not geological either. And it's coming from a depth of over 35,000 feet, where the pressure is enough to crush a tank. The signal has been dubbed the Mariana Call, and the pattern is mathematically precise. It almost looks ... intentional, like a beacon. But a beacon for what? Or from what? The drones that got closest to the source all suffered catastrophic system failures and were lost. So for now, something is talking in the dark, and we have no way to talk back or even get close enough to listen properly. Number 6 is something you might have experienced yourself. The déjà vu phenomenon. Not déjà vu, where you feel like you've lived a moment before. This is déjà rave, or already dreamed. Since 2024, there has been a global spike in people reporting that they are experiencing moments in their waking life that they explicitly dreamed about days, weeks, or even years earlier. We're not talking about vague feelings, but hyper-specific details, like dreaming about a conversation with a stranger wearing a yellow scarf, only to have that exact conversation happen a month later. Sleep researchers are stumped. It's not precognition, they argue, because that's pseudoscience, but the sheer volume of reports is forcing them to reconsider. Some neuroscientists propose it's a memory glitch, where the brain is misfiling a new experience as an old dream memory. But that doesn't explain why thousands of unconnected people are reporting the same type of memory error with such vivid detail. Or are dreams somehow leaking into our future? Or is our perception of time just more fragile than we think? And number 7, we have the cosmic rays of unknown origin. For decades, we've detected ultra-high-energy cosmic rays hitting Earth. These are single protons traveling at nearly the speed of light, carrying the energy of a baseball pitch. The problem is, they shouldn't exist. To get that much energy, they have to come from somewhere insanely powerful, like the heart of a galaxy. But when we trace their path back, they seem to come from empty space. The voids between galactic clusters where absolutely nothing is happening. In 2025, the Pia Auger Observatory in Argentina detected a particle with an energy level that breaks all previous records, something so powerful it defies the known laws of astrophysics. There is literally nothing in our observable universe that we know of capable of producing it. So where is it coming from? An unknown physical event? A source outside our visible universe? Or is it a messenger from a dimension we can't see? The universe is throwing punches, and we don't even know where the fighter is. Number 8 is the mystery of the silent swarms. All over the world, but especially in rural parts of Canada and Siberia, people are seeing massive swarms of insects that make no sound. Imagine a cloud of what looks like mayflies or gnats. Thousands of them, so thick it darkens the sky. But when you get close, it's completely silent. Entomologists who have managed to capture samples are in a state of scientific panic. Genetically, they don't match any known species. Their wings are structured in a way that should produce a loud buzzing sound, yet they are acoustically invisible. They don't seem to eat, they don't breed, and they don't interact with the local ecosystem. They just appear, swarm for a few hours, and then vanish. The weirdest part is that birds and other predators completely ignore them, as if they aren't even there. Are they a new type of organism? A biological drone? No one knows. But these silent swarms are becoming more frequent, and their purpose is a complete and unnerving mystery. Coming in at number 9, the Great Attractor's big brother. For years we've known our galaxy is being pulled towards a gravitational anomaly called the Great Attractor. We can't see it because it is hidden behind the dust and stars of our own Milky Way. But recent advances in X-ray and radio astronomy have allowed us to peek behind the curtain. And what we found in 2026 isn't just one attractor. The Great Attractor itself is being pulled by something even bigger, something we've named the Shapley supercluster. But here's the kicker. The math still doesn't add up. Even with the immense gravity of Shapley, our galaxy is moving faster than it should be. There's another, unseen force out there, beyond even the supercluster, pulling everything towards a single point in the universe. We can't see it, we can't explain it, but we're heading straight for it at over 2 million kilometers per hour. We are on a cosmic conveyor belt to a destination we can't identify, and we have no way to hit the brakes. And finally, at number 10, we have the Fermi Paradox 2.0. The original paradox asked, if the universe is full of life, where is everybody? Well, in 2026, the question has changed. With discoveries like the nickel-rich object 3I Atlas, the weird signals from the Mariana Trench, and the impossibly energetic cosmic rays, we're getting hints of someone everywhere. The evidence for non-human technology or physics is mounting. So the new paradox is, why are they being so weird about it? It's not silence anymore. It's like someone is prank calling the universe. They're leaving strange objects, sending cryptic signals from the deep sea, and shooting impossible particles from empty space. They're not hiding, but they're not saying hello either. It's like they're leaving clues, but the clues make no sense. It's the ultimate cosmic ghosting. Are we part of an experiment? A cosmic art project? Or are we just too primitive to understand the message? The silence was unsettling, but this constant, nonsensical noise is 100 times more terrifying. So there you have it. From dead stars with phantom engines to silent swarms, and a universe that's pulling us towards a great unknown. Physics is broken, the cosmos is a haunted house, and we are the terrified family that just moved in. The more we learn, the weirder it gets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these mysteries keeps you up at night. Stay curious.